वेलकम टू बीटीएस न्यूज। मैं सद्दाम हुसैन, आप देख रहे हैं बीटीएस न्यूज। आइए देखिए आज की ताज़ा
Today morning we celebrated Milanj, the 14th annual day function of Azan Group of Schools, and we started with the pre-primary section and the students of the primary school. Around 450 students participated in today's program. It was a day of complete celebration. It was a day of complete celebration for the young kids, and parents were very excited about it. बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स हुए जो हमको इस्लामी तालीम दिए हैं, एंड इसके पीछे पूरे टीचर्स, स्टाफ, मैनेजमेंट, हम सब का जो सो वो है कंट्रीब्यूशन. पेरेंट्स बहुत ही एक्साइटेड थे, एंड right now we have for 2 days we have the celebrations, and this evening it is for the girls section, where we have kept open our admissions. The admissions are still going on, and for these 2 days we have spot admissions, where we are giving a big concession. So we would like all the parents to take this opportunity and get their children admitted. And Alhamdulillah, the program in the morning was a big success. All of us enjoyed. The students, the teachers, all of them were very excited even after the program. So बहुत ही मेहनत करने के बाद बच्चे इस मुकाम पर पहुंचते हैं. हम बच्चों की बहुत तारीफ़ करते हैं. पेरेंट्स जो हमारे साथ कोऑपरेट करें उनकी भी हम तारीफ़ कर पर. So we are very thankful to the parents. We are very thankful to the management who has given all of us this opportunity to get the talents of the students portrayed on the stage.
Is precious. Turn off lights and turn the heat down. Use it and well or lose it. Reuse your shopping bags, plastics and aluminium foils. Always try to use things more than once. Recycle your toys, books and clothes. Give them to children who need them. These kids really think that they can make a difference. You had better hope, Solly. We are all on it. The next ghost will come to show you why. Act 4. Ali's bedroom. Ali waited. Could he not guess? He was about to see one huge mess. Ghost of Earth Day future goes to Ali's bed, taps his shoulders and walk away. Hey, wait! Who are you? I am the ghost of Earth Day future. I live here where there are no living things, only garbage and pollution. Ah, this can't be. I'm out of here. Runs to hide under his blanket. Act 5. Ali.
कितनी मोहब्बतों से से मुझको खबर नहीं थी। नाद मोहतरम को मेरा सलाम कहना, नाद मोहतरम को मेरा सलाम कहना।
We will not waste or litter. We will not waste or litter. Wherever we go, we will help our Mother Nature. We will help our Mother Nature, and we'll all live and grow, and we'll all live and grow. Thank you. ألم نجعل الأرض مهدا والجبال أوتادا وخلقناكم أزواجا وجعلنا نومكم سباتا وجعلنا الليل لباسا وجعلنا النهار معاشا وبنينا فوقكم سبعا شدادا وجعلنا سراجا وهاجا وأنزلنا من المعصرات ماء ثجاجا لنخرج به حبا ونباتا وجنات ألفافا إن يوم الفصل كان ميقاتا يوم ينفخ في الصور فتأتون أفواجا وفتحت السماء فكانت أبوابا.
Our guests for being part of a grand event like this. It's been really a great pleasure. Jazakallah.
Everything he has, and he's perfectly happy with it. He may not get the coolest shoes like I've said earlier, but then he's
मोहतरम को मेरा